Thank you for tuning in to Savannah in the Kitchen and joining us as Savannah learns how to cook delicious, quick, and easy meals.
Welcome back to Savannah in the Kitchen. Hi, I'm Savannah.
I'm Uncle Jamie. If this is your first time here, welcome. We hope you enjoy.
Please don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss another one of our videos. Hey Uncle, what's on the menu today?
Today we are making pound cake.
Yum.
Yeah, I know, we love pound cake around here.
Yes, we do.
Especially this recipe.
What recipe is it?
Well, this is one your grandfather made. He actually made it for you.
Okay.
Your mom makes it to this day. However, it goes back in our family generations. It's actually her grandmother that used to make it for her.
Okay.
All right. So I found the original recipe as it was handed down to us.
Mm-hmm.
And then this one here, your grandfather rewrote.
Oh,
Don't look too close. He misspelled a few words.
okay.
But that's okay. It still tastes good, easy to make, and we love it.
Yes, we do.
All right. Well, let's start gathering our ingredients.
All right.
We will make this cake.
Yes, we will.
Okay, Savannah, we have separated our ingredients.
Okay.
This is a 1, 2, 3, 4 cake. So it's 1 cup of butter, 2 cups of sugar, 3 cups of flour, 4 eggs.
Okay.
Then we have a little bit of salt, 1 cup of milk, 2 teaspoons of vanilla or lemon.
Okay. So it's just kind of adding.
Correct.
Okay.
All right, but what I like to do, I think it makes it a little easier when you're mixing. I like to add all the dry ingredients,
Mhm.
get them mixed up, and then go back and start adding your wet ingredients. So for the dry ingredients, I use a wooden spoon, like the one you're holding in your hand. And then when we add the wet ingredients, we use a hand mixer.
Okay.
All right, and this is a very heavy batter. It's kind of dense,
Okay.
so it takes a little bit to do. Now, when your grandfather made it, he would only use the spoon. Didn't like a mixer. I don't understand.
He was a little weird, so it's okay.
Well, maybe a little old. All right, so here we go. We will start with 3 cups of flour.
Okay.
2 cups of sugar.
A lot of sugar.
That is a lot of sugar. Go ahead and stir that up a little bit.
It's okay, we like it sweet.
We do. And now we're going to use 2 teaspoons of baking powder and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Go ahead and mix all that up. There you go. See, it's right there in the middle. Go ahead and give that a good stir. There you go.
Okay.
All right. Okay, so if it's all right with you, I'm going to start adding in the butter.
No, it's not okay.
Well, we have to have the butter.
Oh,
All right,
I guess.
so here we go. 1/2 cup of butter.
Okay.
Just kind of cut it in there. Yep, you got it. 4 eggs.
Go ahead.
Okay. And 1 cup of cold milk.
Okay.
You ready?
Yep.
All right.
You weren't kidding. This recipe is dense.
It is. It's a lot to stir. Just do the best you can. What we're going to do is you get it mixed up with that, and then we're going to use our hand mixer on it. And that's going to be really loud, so we're only going to show a little bit of that.
Okay.
All right. Now, I almost forgot 2 teaspoons of vanilla.
Can't forget about that.
No. One, 2. All right.
It's funny, one time I made a cake with my mom and my dad, and I poured almost half a bottle of vanilla into the cake batter.
Oh, because...
Or no, it was a cookie. We were making cookies, so instead of sugar cookies, it was...
Because you did what
vanilla.
I just did.
Yeah.
Yeah, and you know what? That's not a good habit to get into. like when we were measuring everything out, when it
Mhm.
came to adding the salt, we did it over the sink where it didn't matter if we poured a little too much.
Yeah.
Yeah, and that's what I should have done. Good job. You just pointed out a pro tip. All right, well, let me get the hand mixer and see if I can't help you out a little bit.
All right.
Just kind of. Maybe you can use the rubber spoon and scrape the sides for me. See how thick the batter is?
Yes. It is definitely not thin.
Okay. While we were mixing our ingredients, what you know, they don't, is I have had our oven preheating at 350.
Okay.
All right. We're going to bake the cake for about an hour.
Okay.
All right. The directions say about an hour. Well, that not real specific. So what I like to do is set the timer for 45 minutes, check it, then maybe go 5 minutes if it needs a little bit more increments. That way I don't burn the cake. I don't
Yeah.
want to burn the cake.
Yeah, let's not.
Okay. We are using our bundt pan.
What is that?
Well, a bundt pan is a heavy-walled baking dish,
Okay.
and it's decorative. Cake
Okay.
looks real pretty when it comes out.
Alright.
Makes it easy to slice.
Okay.
All right. The other thing I've used, and you've never used this before, but I use Baker's Joy cooking spray.
Okay.
We are not sponsored by Baker's Joy cooking spray, but hey, we could be if they wanted to sponsor us. Anyway, now we use it all the time for baking.
Okay.
It not only is the cooking oil, but it also has flour mixed in it. It saves you a step. You don't have to flour the pan.
Okay.
All
So
right.
the baking version of canola oil, cooking spray.
Yeah, the baking version of what kind of oil?
Canola.
Yeah, canola. That was good, but I didn't think it came out that way, so I thought it sounded funny. All right, so let's add it to our pan.
Alright.
You don't mind if I do this, right?
No, you're good.
Okay.
You want me to step back?
Yeah, you step back a little bit. We're good. Wait, this is thick.
Yes, it is. Smells good though.
Yep. Turn that a little bit. Yeah, how thick that is. Very dense.
Yes.
And we gotta scrape it all out.
I see it's not filling most of the, or
Sit
not
that
most, but
down.
all of the pan. Is that because it's gonna rise?
It is gonna rise.
Okay.
Oh yeah. All right, that's ready to go in the oven.
Alrighty.
Can you get the door for me?
Sure. Ooh, that oven is hot.
It is hot. All right, and I'll set our timer for 45 minutes.
Alright.
Okay, we'll be back. Okay, Savannah, what do you think?
It looks delicious.
The cake looks amazing.
We did a good job.
We did. Actually, I think your grandfather would be proud.
Mm-hmm.
All right, now, this cake cooked for an hour and 5 minutes. It sat on a cooling rack for about 30 minutes.
Okay.
All right? So it's been a little bit of time. Doesn't seem like it to them, but it has. We're going to top it off with some powdered sugar,
Okay.
and then we're going to slice it up and have a piece. There you go. Oh, that's making it look so good. All right. Now we need to slice it up.
Yes.
That looks wonderful.
Yes, it does.
Good job. Well, I guess we should say goodbye for this week.
Alright.
Well, go ahead and tell them.
Hey, thanks for watching.
Hey, thanks for watching. See you next
See you
week.
next week.